just woke up and whoa, we are back. We are back. We are back. We're back. We're back and better than ever, my friend. And we're playing Chicken Farm. We're gonna build up the chicken farm, but today we're filming part 2. Isn't that crazy? I know. That was like 83. How long have we been offline, bro? Oh, we have 3 million eggs. We have $200,000. And lots of eggs. Look at all these eggs. There's villager eggs. Dang, bro. This is crazy. What's this one saying? Buy 100 eggs. Let's buy 100 eggs, guys. Mushroom, not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's buy 100 eggs. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it auto merges. Is the lag too bad that it has to auto merge? What did it even give me? Did it make me a... Yeah. 82. Hey. Come on, give us a villager. Villager. A goose! It's not even bad. It's the 5%. That's the 20%. I meant. Can we get another one? So today, what's our plan? To get to 2016. What's your right now. We're gonna dummy. You're a dummy. Shut up, Timmy. I'm sorry. Whoa, there's new lucky blocks. That's... Wait a second. Lucky block looked tough. I'm just gonna say that. It looked tough. Okay, villager. Dummy. That's just great. So let me see this lucky block. What is this? Fat and fried. $4 million. Or 4 million, yeah, dollars. I want these lucky blocks to get on my face, but they're too expensive. They're too expensive. Yeah, geese, my bad. 25. It's lagging. It's raining eggs. My game crashed. My game is crashing. What? What the heck? All just eggs. Get money. Use money. And we get the villager. So we got another goose. Wait. That means we get villager. Come on, give me a villager. Not even bad, bro. Not even bad, bro. Not even bad, bro. Not even bad, bro. I'm not even mad, bro. I had you mad, bro. Not even mad, bro. Unlock. Guys, I haven't been talking about this. This is a great game. It is episode 2 of our series. Episode 2 of the chicken farm. I'm not even hyped. I'm really hyped. This is episode 2. Episode 2 is always the best episode. Because you know everything. Now you know everything. You've been waiting for that episode 2 to travel along the series. Episode 2 is the best episode, guys. Okay. We get 2,000. There's just a bunch of villages. We're already at 2K. Not accepting that. Damn, 300. We might be able to get per second. Dummy. You're a dummy, Timmy. Deborah. I'm always hating on Timmy and Deborah and all those people. I want to say thank you to all the Timmys and Deborahs in the world. Thank you, Timmy. Thank you, Timmy. Wait. We just made our first $1 million celebrate by spending more money. What's that 50K per second? Spend it all. 50K per second. Oh my god. Big Mac. The eggs are Big Mac. We're so close to 100K. Don't be happy. Then we don't be happy. I'm back. Okay. So, guys, today I woke up. I did not feel like doing anything. This is what I did. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. But then we had to go do stuff. Okay guys, this is history. Yes. Yes. We have 1.15 million X. I think it's to 10 mil. Why is there a lucky block stuck up there? Dang bro, inflation is crazy, bro. Inflation is crazy. How is this freaking lucky block $200,000? I've been telling you about inflation, bro. Dummy. I'm sorry for the lag, bro. I'm just getting the better I get at this game, the worse it's gonna lag, bro. We make $235,000 per second. We're gonna open another one of those eggs, bro. For those lucky blocks. Day and night, working day and night. Oh no, baby, got me working day and night. Bro, all you have to do is one collect to open these, bro. Give me fried or fat. Either fried or fat. Villager. That's just great. Let's buy a couple of hundred. Collect some money. More 100. Is that? We've opened this type of lucky block before, right? Yeah. fatty bit fat over there. I swear I just saw a lucky block. I swear I just saw a red lucky block. Yeah, I did. Why are you stuck? There's two. There's another one that got stuck up there. Stuck up in my butt. Aha! Sorry. Come on, give me a fry. Fat! That's just 20%. Wait. All we need is a villager to get fried. I don't want those. Give me that. Yeah, because we already have 2 villagers. So if we get another villager, we'll merge all of them into a fat. We'll merge all of the fats into fried. Wait, it's gonna be like fried chicken? Wait, I didn't even think about how fried would be. It would be fried chicken. Would it not be just fried chicken? We'll see. We got villagers. Watch this gloriousness that's about to happen. It's not even good. They just turned it brown, bro. What? Wait. Is there a bone I see in the back of his butt? Bone? Yep. Oh no, his chicken wing, his wings are chicken wings. Like, oh no, really, SGF? That is no, really, chicken wings are chicken wings? Duh, I'm sorry, like, the eatable ones. So I don't even think we've been doing for that long. Already cooking an egg salad. That's what we're cooking. Okay. I've been working day and night, and now I'm making no money. I'm not making any money. Oh no, baby. Is the money multiplier 0? Am I just gonna make no money? I'm either lying or the egg multiplier is literally 0. No, it's just... I need... Stop making money. Why does it keep stopping making money? Yeah, we should a point in the game where every egg equals... Why am I not making money? Now I'm making money. Is it just gonna stop again? Okay, I'll make this stop. Never mind. Why is it stopping? Is eggs its fuel now? Like, why did the game just change up on me like that, bro? Wait, I just got the rarest thing. I just got the rarest thing in the blue lucky block. The game here just changed up on me like that. How would it do it? We've been together for a whole 2 days now. gonna try something. Troubleshooting now. I'm mad. I'm leaving. I'm gonna rejoin and I'm gonna see if it's a glitch or if something is going on that I don't know about. See if it's a glitch. Because if it's a glitch, I won't be that mad. But if the game changed up on me, we would have some problems. Bad problems. I've been working day and night. Wait. What's tier 11? Okay. If I turn it and it's not making money. God, do not hold me back from punching my computer screen. Oh, I forgot to say amen. Say amen. So he didn't hold me back. I hate this game now. This game is struggling now. Did I just finish? Oh my god. That is the most beautiful thing I am saying. Oh my lord. That is beautiful, bro. That is so beautiful. I'm not even gonna try to What? You're kidding, right? You're kidding. There's no absolute way I am buying. Listen, whatever you buying, whatever you selling, I ain't buying, yo. My name is Jennifer White, yo. I'm married to Walter White, yo. Such an old trick. I'm tired of this game. I swear I'm just tired of this game for today. I'm going to take a break from this game. I'm still going to post today because I haven't been doing stuff today. In my Discord, I said I was going to post 3 videos. And even though I am supposed to post the second class video today, I don't know if I guess I have to. I guess I will, but it won't be that long. Well, peace out, guys. I guess we'll get to Arena 2 today. We're going to unlock it and get to Arena 2 today. But yeah, guys, you know how